Czinger Vehicles has officially revealed the full specifications of its groundbreaking 21C Hypercar, a marvel of engineering with only 80 units planned for production. This exclusive reveal provides an in-depth look at Czinger's entirely in-house developed drivetrain and its proprietary production and manufacturing technologies. The Czinger 21C is meticulously designed, built, and manufactured entirely in Los Angeles, California, embodying a true 21st-century automotive vision. Its creation leverages cutting-edge technology tools, seamlessly integrated into a patented production system developed by the Divergent Czinger team. This revolutionary system includes advanced 3D printing, AI-driven design, and automated optimization software. It also features patented additive manufacturing processes, specifically selective layer sintering, and high-accuracy robotic assembly. Novel performance materials are utilized throughout, with the chassis and body panels crafted from carbon fiber using a proprietary process. The 21C stands as the inaugural vehicle born from this revolutionary system, setting new benchmarks in automotive production. This advanced technology empowers Czinger's design and engineering team to express 21st-century art through unparalleled performance and design. Each 21C is assembled by a dedicated team of artisans, reflecting a modern approach to bespoke coach building. Every single part, from seat brackets to suspension components, receives meticulous fit and finish, ensuring perfection. The handcrafted carbon fiber and multi-layer, show-quality paintwork further exemplify this dedication to detail and luxury. Vehicle performance results from a design where all parts have a precise purpose, are built to achieve that purpose, and combine to work in perfect harmony. The 21C fully embodies this comprehensive approach to total vehicle design, prioritizing every minute detail. The Czinger 21C is designed and manufactured from the ground up by the Czinger team in Torrance, California. Its chassis is formed from lightweight, proprietary high-performance alloy and carbon fiber multi-material structures. This computationally engineered, printed, and assembled chassis houses an in-house, designed strong hybrid powertrain that drives all four wheels. Achieving a true 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio, the 21C boasts a 2.88-liter flat-crank V8 with twin turbos located mid-vehicle. This engine is the most power-dense production engine globally, revving to an astonishing 11,000 revolutions per minute. An electric motor assigned to each front wheel, combined with the V8, delivers a total of 1,250 horsepower. The 21C achieves an astonishing 8.1 second quarter mile and accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. It goes from 0 to 186 miles per hour and back to 0 in a blistering 15 seconds, and 0 to 248 miles per hour and back to 0 in a mere 29 seconds. With a top speed of 253 miles per hour and 329 horsepower per liter, Czinger's priorities are clear: maximize power to weight and power efficiency. The strong hybrid setup includes 2 continuous front traction motors and 1 combined crank-driven generator and starter. This sophisticated system ensures power from the lithium titanate batteries is readily available precisely when needed. This immense power is paired with a 7-speed sequential transaxle gearbox, featuring a hydraulic-actuated multi-plate clutch. The entire drivetrain, designed, developed, and built by Czinger, ensures seamless integration and unparalleled performance. The Czinger design team upholds the company ethos of next-generation thinking, evident in the 21C's iconic and functional design. The 21C provides an ideal seating position, optimized for both performance driving and perfect weight distribution. Its iconic design originates from the concept of functional art, where performance-driven line logic dictates its dramatic shape. Every opening line on the car connects 2 graphic or functional features, with strong, athletic surfaces flowing around its performance core. Rooted in aerodynamic efficiency, the 21C's inline seating creates a narrow cabin that precisely pierces the air. The shrink-wrapped body hugs the chassis, tightly sculpting the front and rear overhang around the wheels for maximum effect. Never before has a production car combined all these design elements, a true testament to Czinger's revolutionary technology. The 21C has already set production car lap records at iconic tracks like Laguna Seca, Goodwood Festival of Speed, and Circuit of the Americas. Available in road, track, and VMAX variants, the 21C caters to diverse performance needs. Production commenced in 2021, with initial deliveries to eager customers beginning in the fourth quarter of 2023. The base price for this hypercar starts at $2.36 million, with the limited Blackbird edition priced upon request. The result is a car that looks like nothing else on the planet, a true masterpiece of engineering and design, redefining the hypercar segment.